What's going on, everybody? So welcome to Revline89. So today we are swapping out our distributor pack here for a Screamin Demon Coil Pack. Distributor pack, coil pack, whatever. Same thing, right guys? Maybe not. I don't know. Find out. Subscribe. So these things are about $99, and they claim to offer much better performance than your stock factory ones. By the way, I recommend always having a soft cover or something up against your vehicle while you're working on your vehicle, just so you don't scratch up your beautiful Mustang. So let's get started. So first off, when you take off the plugs, you want to make sure that you know where each one goes. That's going to be a big thing. So I'm going to put them in order over here. So hang them by 1, 2, and 3. So 1, that's going to be number 2, and that's going to be number 3. So 1, 2, and 3, because you don't want to place them in the wrong order. So again, 1, 2, and 3, starting from right to left where they're at on my side. And now for this side, 1, come on there, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Lift up the plug here. Pop that out. There's a plug. So number 1, 2, and 3. So to go over, number 1, number 2 right here, number 3, number 1, number 2 hanging down, and number 3 up top here. So I do this for my videos, so I remember stuff. So if I ever get confused about something, I can look back at a part and different part on the vehicle build and go, oh, okay, so that's how I did it. Anyone else do that? I recommend you guys using a magnetic holder. So all I do is just throw in bolts and stuff in here and it sticks. And it also sticks to your frame as well, so it doesn't fall and go all over the place. Just my suggestion, guys. For any parts that I use, the link will be in my video description, okay? So if you guys want to know anything that I'm using, check out my video description. Alright, so now let's go this way. This is a pretty fast, simple swap that you can do to help your performance of your Mustang. Alright, so I should be able to turn it out. We'll see. Turn them all out. We're going to start with the ones furthest away to turn out. You want to be careful. You don't want to lose a bolt. That's why I recommend having what I just showed you guys, the magnetic holder. Again, I will have a link in the description where you can get that. So, let me show you guys how it looks. There we go. There we go. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. I wonder if it was replaced before. Now, there's rust underneath it. So, of course, what I'm going to do, so I'm going to brush this rust off, and I'm going to spray it with rust preventer, so to help prevent it from rusting out anymore. That's just, you know, what I do. And also, this gets bolted with the pack as well. So you see this right here. So that bolt goes right on there in the corner, or not bolt, but that gets bolted right in there with the hole as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some spray, clean that up, and then spray it. Alright, so I went ahead and sprayed down the rust enamel and also a high temp, just a very, very light coating of undercoating. It's temperatures up to 2000 degrees, and it helps resist rust. So now we're going to go ahead and put this Screamin Demon on. When you're making it tight, make it tight enough that, you know, it's hard, but don't make it too extremely tight. Alright, now we put it back in order. The plugs, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So, plug number 1. Plug number 2, because this is 1, 2, so 2. And plug number 3. Alright. Wiggle it a little bit, put it on. Once you hear it snap, then you wiggle it a little bit. So now we're going to do this, which this should be, let me double check for this side. So I actually looked back on the video, and when I pulled them off, I actually numbered them wrong. So this one that was hanging down was number 1, the one that was up top here is number 2, and then this one was number 3. So that's why, you know, recording what you're doing and talking about it and showing visual helps big time when you go back and look at something. If you forget something or need to do something, like to mount this guy back up in here, I forgot to do it, but I look back on the video and got him screwed right in there. So we're done. That is done for the coil pack. That simple, very easy. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'd love to help you with any questions you guys got. So this Mustang, it's going to be a great fun build. So stay tuned, guys. A lot more stuff coming.